Facing, eh? Do you know where the nose is facing?
I'm gonna guess. Who can guess which way the nose is facing?
Yo, you know what's an RC8C?
Of course I know what an RC8C is, man.
You know what's RC8C?
Sort of.
Hi.
Juan, do you know what an RC8C is?
It is a exceptional sporting bike, absolutely.
That way?
Do you know what an RC8C is?
No.
Toby, do you know what an RC8C is? Yes. Ron? Yes. Question for you. Yes. Do you know what an RC8C is?
Yeah.
You already filming?
Tyler, do you know what an RC8C is?
Yes.
Kevin, do you know what's the RC8C?
What?
Aiden, do you know what an RC8C is?
No.
Do you know what an RC8C is?
Do I know what it is?
Yes.
Heck yeah, man. That's a pretty hot bike.
What's an RC8C?
That's the race bike, right?
I'm originally actually from Toronto. Yeah. Maybe it's
I have a bunch of buddies over here, so a couple race buddies.
No point in having a top speed you can't reach on a track.
So where are you going to be?
Area 27 is mostly what we're living.
It makes sense, but it seems awfully simplistic. But I'll give you a good.
I've got everything except for the side stand.
So smooth.
Right?
Oh my